problem.
How you doing, champ? Funny we see you again. This time we need you. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna go to the management office over there. That's where we have her.
Okay. So, what do we have so far?
So here's, I'm gonna just take a picture for my record keeping, and then I will give it to you. Her name is Samantha Spear. She's 18 years old. She works for Sephora. She's with us 33 days. We, through a tip and observation, were able to catch her stealing multiple items. And in the interview process, while they were interviewing her, she confessed to, like, you know, stealing almost every day the last couple of weeks.
Okay.
She knows we were hot.
Say again?
She knows we were hot.
She knows.
We were hot.
Oh, well, no. Ricky told me to call it.
Okay.
Off quick math that we were doing in our head, she stole a couple $1,000s worth of merchandise.
And you
So
guys
we told
have...
her to be concise because it'll help in, you know, evaluating her future with us. And she asked, am I going to be fired for this? I need the job. And he was like, well, based off your honesty, and the more honest you are with us, we take that into consideration. So,
Crazy question.
yeah, right? Veracity, right? Let's keep stealing from you. So can I keep working here?
You guys have video and receipts for all these?
Yeah, we'll be able to provide that for you. Yeah, and from what she told us, she's been doing all the stealing for her family, for her sisters, her father, her mother. So like Rick said, he goes, you know, it looks like your parents, your family put you in a predicament.
Most people start with petty stuff, you know?
Well, that's what she said. She said she started a couple weeks ago, small stuff, and then she felt comfortable with it, and then it became every day that she was working.
Sounds a lot more like smoking the fire.
Oh, she's going to text you.
I just saw you walking in the store. I was,
This is not a play-by-play of the incident. This is a legal breakdown of what happened once law enforcement and loss prevention crossed paths inside a Florida retail store.
I was going to say maybe just hang out for a little bit. What's that?
You guys already got all the information you needed from him?
Yeah, so,
You can wait for now.
I just haven't turned her yet. Did you? He kind of gave you a heads up. Just been with us for a month. A little over 1,000.
I made a copy of the receipt. I gave it
Still
to you.
that she was 18 years old. Ever how you guys want to do it?
He's going to ask for enough. Are you guys going to prosecute her?
Yeah.
You guys going to trespass her?
Trespass we don't typically do for associates unless she gets stupid and stands up and starts mother effing everybody, but I don't think she's going to. She's an absolute mess.
Is she?
All right, Samantha. So a couple things. All right. Certainly, anytime an associate causes a loss to us, right, there's some ramifications. So the team from Boynton Beach is here to talk to you. All right. So there's a couple things. All right. Here you go. All right. So, because of this, we are going to prosecute you. You understand that, right? Okay. But we still need our stuff back. Okay? Alright. One last thing, alright? This is a promissory note telling us that you're going to make it right with Kohl's. Alright? You still have your pen? Alright. Your principal amount owed is what you put on this statement. Okay? Alright, so you're going to write that there. You're okay, calm down. Then you're going to print your name and put the date. Did you get that water for you? So Samantha, I do have to make sure you just are aware whether or not you sign it on. It's okay, alright? You are being released from employment, okay?
Yes, sir.
You can't come back to Kohl's to work anymore.
Yes,
okay?
sir.
Alright, so these gentlemen are going to have some things that they're going to cover with you. Alright?
Yeah.
Alright.
Sorry, I signed the statement.
You're fine. Do you have anything in your locker that we should get for you while these gentlemen are covering a couple things for you?
I It's just my bag.
Is it locked?
No, sir.
Okay. What's your locker number?
It's not the right one. It's the one at the like very bottom.
What's the very bottom? I don't.
Like,
It's
it's
a
like
big
the-
locker room.
Is it in this, what locker number is your locker assigned to?
I was originally assigned to like 75,
It's
but
a white-
I
In the
don't.
same row at the bottom?
I don't know
It's a white
if.
bag.
Oh, it's
The-
yeah, it's a white bag.
Samantha, this is what I would say. Is this gentleman's going to ask you some questions. You be as honest and cooperative with them as you are with me. You understand?
It's like when you enter in the door, it's like
Oh yeah.
He's gonna check,
this
he's
one,
gonna check. Don't
the
worry.
very bottom.
All right, Samantha. So I have to read you something before I talk to you. Okay.
My Miranda rights.
Yes. Okay. So I'm required to warn you before you make any statement that you have the following constitutional rights. You have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions. Any statement you make must be freely and voluntarily given. You have the right to the presence and representation of a lawyer of your choice before you make any statement and during any questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, you are entitled to the presence and representation of a court-appointed lawyer before you make any statement during any questioning. If at any time during the interview you do not wish to answer, you are privileged to remain silent. I can make no threats or promises to induce you to make a statement. This must be of your own free will. Any statement can be and will be used against you in the court of law. Are you willing to talk to me without the presence of an attorney? Okay, so can you tell me what happened?
Okay.
How about we do this? Let's give her
The first issue is custodial interrogation. Under Miranda versus Arizona, decided in 1966. Law enforcement must advise a suspect of the right to remain silent and the right to counsel before any custodial interrogation begins. The officer in this footage delivered a complete, unhurried warning before asking a single substantive question. That timing matters. A premature question asked even one sentence too early can suppress an entire confession under the exclusionary rule. The second issue is the state action doctrine. Miranda protections apply only to interrogation by government agents, not to questioning by private employers. Loss prevention obtained its confession before police ever entered the room, because loss prevention personnel are private citizens, not state actors. Nothing they extracted is subject to Miranda, and all of it remains fully admissible, regardless of whether warnings were ever given.
little breather. Alright, so she could regain her composure, and then we'll continue again afterwards.
Okay.
Sounds good, man?
Yes, sir. Sorry.
Just keep listening, Samantha. Everyone's going to treat you with respect. No one's going to yell at you. No one thinks anything. Okay? This was a mistake. But you need to stay calm for us, okay? Can we do that? Can we calm down for a little bit?
You want water?
Get the, go with the customer.
I'll punch her. Listen, we're going to take her through this door right here. So just grab the patrol vehicle and bring it around this way.
I don't think you're free.
Alright, so we're going to take out this door. Sorry, we're going to bring the car down. Okay, so I'm going to get a sworn statement from you because you were just interviewed here. So I'm going to have you raise your right hand.
What's the law of your right?
Yes, we interviewed this associate that works for us. She works in the Sephora department. We were actually doing an investigation on her today. Her name is
Or just off
Samantha
the side of the road?
Spear. Samantha's been with us since March the 14th of 2025. Through her employment with us, Samantha was found to be walking out of the store with merchandise that's not been paid for. Certainly was all found through video review, just following up on daily habits with our associates in our departments. What we found is more than 4 occasions so far came in to interview. Certainly she admitted to many more events, all happening at the end of her shift, walking out of the store without paid merchandise, never making a purchase. So she admitted to $1,000 worth of product.
Call at King Theodore. Is he advising that the friend is 97 and present?
And 1,000, is that the correct amount, or is that just what she admitted to?
That's what she admitted to. She's going to bring back all the rest of the product. Could be a difference. It could be a little bit more, but we won't know until it's fully back in.
10-4, I'm not sure how we can help him.
Alright. So that's it for you. I'm gonna get
We rented a lesbian rehab.
Well,
You're 10.
Just
We're
pretty
having
much the same
officer
statement as him, or should I get one from you
When we
too?
go out there. Can't
Yeah,
make
you
entry
can,
without permission.
Alright, I'll just get one from you. So you could raise your right hand.
Okay, so basically Ricky and I were reviewing some audio, video, going over some testing exams that I'm preparing for. And an email came through, and during that email it read that there was possible dishonest association, dishonest associate activity with a particular individual. Upon review, Ricky and I had found on multiple occasions, on different days, her taking merchandise, concealing it either in her Sephora bag or her purse, and exiting the store.
Okay. And you guys wish to prosecute.
We wish to prosecute. It's part of Kohl's policy.
Forgot to ask that too. So do you guys have like a list of the time she stole?
The third issue is the underlying charge itself. Florida Statute 817.034, the Communications Fraud Act, criminalizes a systematic ongoing scheme to defraud and treats repeated theft as one continuing offense, not a series of separate misdemeanors. That distinction is what converts a string of small thefts into felony exposure, carrying up to 5 years in prison, 5 years of probation, and a fine of $5,000. A related and often overlooked issue is the promissory note, a restitution acknowledgement produced in the same encounter as a criminal referral. Sits close to a due process concern, even when execution is voluntary. The officer's disclosure that signing was optional is what keeps that document defensible in court.
Yes, and that's going to be put into
Including evidence.com?
detail
Okay, cool.
once he gets the information over for you.
Alright.
Yeah, I'll drop a receipt in there for you.
Okay.
It's got the total of what we know until we can get back the rest.
Okay.
Like I said, based off, like I told you when we were walking back here, based off quick math that we did, it's $100,000. So in his interviewing her, he said the more honest you are with us, the better it is for you
Yes.
during the whole process of it. So basically that was to jog her memory, to make it think harder, like, let me just put everything that I took. 'Cause you know what you took.
Yes.
For your mother, you took for your sisters, you took for your father, you took for yourself.
Okay.
And that'll give us an idea.
I need this one with 10 notes. And put me out with the other call that's in my zone by 975Y. I'm ready to black out.
Hey, Brian, Tracy 1J10. Yeah, that's Tracy 348.
Sorry.
But so far, you're going to be able to provide for us today the details on
I haven't reviewed video yet. Yeah, guys, you have video ready?
Yeah,
to look at?
yeah, we have video.
So I could just check it out.
They need to establish whether we have scheme to defraud yet or not.
Okay.
So they've got 4 dates right now. Several $100s worth of stuff. 4 dates. They haven't gotten through all the video yet. She's admitted to been doing this for several more days.
1953.
For possibly 2 weeks. So, find out. Get his opinion. This is part of the stuff you're going to have to do when you're on your own.
Yeah.
If we have the video for the 4th, we can scheme to defraud. The thing is that anything afterwards, at this point, would either be in addition to or a separate thing.
Okay.
So what we need to find out is what we have here today, what we can charge her with. If you guys are good after that, and you're just washing your hands clean from this because she's fired.
Will that be the report number?
Yes.
That's a perfect. But we'll get what we can get today.
Yes.
Because that's probably the route that I would go.
And then take out, I'll get all that file.
Okay. He's gonna bring his laptop, because he's got everything in there.
We want to document it just on so we can articulate everything we see, and then you guys will submit the videos later. We'll send you a link. You explain this to me?
You did, yeah, he got the information.
So then we can figure that up when we're submitting the whole packet to the state.
Correct.
Okay? It's hers?
Yeah.
Okay.
I bet you thought it was mine, man.
Do you have your ID there so I could? It's up front.
No, it's fine.
Yeah, I don't carry it. Alright, so here she is last night. Let me pause it. So last night she comes up to clock it out. She's carrying the same bag she's currently got in the office. Here you'll see she fidgets around. She's going to grab something off of here, and then she backs up.
And around what time is it?
9:04. She actually conceals the product at 9:06. So here she's looking at something. It's what she winds up taking, but she doesn't take it quite yet.
So it was that speaker that we...
Yeah. So she'll walk over here, walk back.
Now is her putting items in there?
No, not yet. She's already got a Sephora bag in her purse that she had already taken from inside the shop. But this is one of the first things that we saw her do. She'll go back out there on the aisle and she'll conceal a speaker that's out there. Alright, so here, I'll back up just a little bit so you can see what she does. So she grabs, there's a Sephora bag back here. So you'll see, she grabs that bag. So you'll see there's already, I don't know if you saw it, there's already a couple things in there. She comes over here. Store's closed, by the way. It's 9:13 at night. We close at 9.
Okay.
She grabs here and here.
You good?
Yeah, I just thought about
What?
how the female took 37 beat her on the back.
Yeah, I'm gonna figure it out. Don't worry.
11 and 7.
Take 20.
I'll be right back, sir.
Now to the grading. The officer earns an A-. Full Miranda advisement, no coercive promises, and a pause offered when the subject became distressed. The subject earns a D. Cooperation and honesty are mitigating its sentencing, but they do not erase the systematic nature of the conduct that triggered felony-level charges in the first place. The employer earns a B. Video-first evidentiary practice was sound, though blending a civil restitution process with a criminal referral in the same room is a structural risk worth separating. Here is the lesson. Anything said to a private investigator loss prevention officer or employer is not protected by Miranda, no matter how similar that questioning feels to a police interrogation. The right to remain silent only attaches once a government actor is doing the asking. And under Florida law, an ongoing pattern of theft is charged as one continuing scheme, not forgiven one small incident at a time.
Anything else on?
Take 20.
Sorry. Transporter.
Just turn your wrist down.
Take 4. Yeah, for the guy.
2-4 Delta. Uniform Juliet Papa. Uniform
Take 100 North Federal. Outside one.
Check some kind of outfit.
Come outside chasing.
Something.
Thank you.
Work has 2 shifts left, and I'm making her work.
Just 2?
Yeah, we're Northeast 6th Avenue in Federal. Have a 640.
Hey, I think they're hiring in Sephora.
Oh, there. I'm sorry.
Oh, there he is. Get down, I was looking there.
Oh, they're trying to get their receipts.
She'll go and just start plucking stuff off, put it in the bag. Now we have controls in place that's supposed to prevent that shit from happening. It's like the 4th DA I've taken out of here with a store team to a package shop, something should be.
How you guys catch wind of this?
Actually, the store associate gave us a tip that she was acting weird. So we started reviewing video of all of her closing shifts. And just
I
boom.
read the email, I'm like, hey, I think we might have something.
Good for that
Give it a
person.
quick check.
Started with this.
Over here.
We saw her conceal this last night. Now we're at this. Crazy. So
You got everything we need?
you can have it, my friend. So I'll put. Is it okay if I put you
And
and
you have it
our
done
internal
back.
report as a okay officer?
So it might
Perfect.
be even
And I have the report number. I'll send every video that I have. Do you want me to only send the video for this right now?
Yes.
Okay. Then what do you want me to do secondarily?
Well, the thing
If we
is
find
we're charging
more.
over scheme to defraud, so we've already seen that.
Yeah.
Anything that we're doing, it's already like, it would just strengthen the case if you wanted to. It would be a supplement to the report, but it wouldn't be additional charges.
Yeah. Fair enough. I don't
So what we're doing is
Whatever
what we
you
have
want.
right now, but
Okay.
because it's the systematic theft over and over again, it wouldn't be additional charges. That's what this all kind of encompasses.
Sure. Yeah. I want to give you whatever you want. So you just.
Because like, let's say that you come back later and it's a much higher amount or whatever it is. Maybe there's an enhancement.
Sure.
I think there's an enhancement for the type of the amount that's being taken, right?
Yeah, but I don't think she's ever gonna reach that. I think it's like $100 or something.
Oh,
So I was gonna say, is it over like a crazy?
So
number
it
or
just
is that-
strengthens the case, but we already have quite a bit, and she's confessed.
Sure. No, I mean,
Right.
just we get knocked over like huge shit. We still have like 400 cases last year, just straight shot with. So
And that's what you caught. So,
yeah,
Keep
exactly.
calling us.
Yeah, we will. Appreciate it, guys.
No
Thanks for all your
problem.
help. Sorry for all the time.
No problem.
Have a good one. Take care.
Let us know what case or legal topic you want covered next in the comments below. And don't forget to check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for more police interaction and courtroom analysis.